Hey guys, welcome back to Adra Wonderland. Today we are gonna unboxing Kinder Egg, the girls' one. So let's open it. Then we need to open heart as you see. Whoa! I opened two hearts. See that? This is the chocolate and this is the toy. Let's open toy first. I don't want to watch it, guys. You look. Look at it. What? I get the same thing every day. Why is this happening? Why my little sister get a new toy every day, but I just get the same thing and the same thing and the same thing? I'm so mad. Why? Shh, John. Not mommy. Bookie. Not mommy. Dion. So guys, you see I have a fish. And this is what I got. The regular fish. Okay, bye. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.